Hi Vinod, how are you?
Hi, sir. How are you, sir? I'm
Yeah,
fine.
I'm fine. Yeah. So, can you tell me where you have got placed and what is your package and what is your experience in our training?
Yeah, sir. When I completed my engineering, so I searched for SAP classes in Bangalore. So many classes are available, but one of my friends suggested Akshay sir class was awesome. So again, I trusted his words and his experience. Based on that, I joined your classes. And SAP class was very good, very nice. And after my SAP class, I'm in a little bit struggle because in the sense struggle means I'm in totally confusion. I mean, which field I have to choose, like in end user or consultant, where I have to go, what I have to do. So many confusions will be there after engineering. So this will be same to everyone. So again, I started searching in consultant. That moment I got one interview, 2, 3 interviews in end user. But luckily, I got cracked the first interview. It's in my same core field, manufacturing in aerospace, and it was very awesome. We are using S4 HANA over there. So
Nice.
because totally completely I learned up to the consultant level, because almost your training is to crack as a consultant. But my first opportunity I don't want to miss, so I joined as an end user. That interviewer, HR team and technical team completely surprised about my interview that moment, because what I had learned from you and what my presentation skill was there, it's completely helped me a lot. So I got around the 6 lakh package over there, and so it was very nice experience. And my suggestion was for new freshers or anybody. So in Bangalore, so many SAP classes are there, but no one. I never saw the person. Everyone tell 100% they will assure about the placement. But when I met you personally, you told only one thing, that join SAP, learn it, but it's totally depends on your passion and your interest. You never assured that 100% placement, but you told in one word that totally depends on your interest and passion. But I'll be there up to the end. But you should be there up to getting your success. I'll be there, but I am not. I don't know you'll be there or not. That word made me a lot of inspired me a lot, and that same dedication, the same hard work, consistency that made me to join a big company, MNC. And this will helpful to all the freshers. Don't join any classes blindly. First of all, check background. Like some of the genuine trainers will be there, some of the fake trainers will be there. So it's based on your the. What I personally suggest is Akshay sir class was very awesome. It's 100%. I am assured that it will be worth for your money and your career also, because they Akshay sir never think on money. He always focusing on training each and every step from the basic to end. He will be focusing on your training from basic to optimal level, because moreover come to the matter of topic, in other classes, in so many classes are there in Bangalore, I already told you. So around 10 to 14 chapters will be more, because I done SAP here more than 21 or 22 chapters at the point. But moreover, it's completely supporting after you're getting the job. This was very nice, sir. So, and
Thank you, Vinod.
yeah,
All the best for your career.
yeah, thank you, sir. Still, I have to learn many more SAP lessons from you, because I'm very humble to learn. Still, have to learn. Long way to go. I will be there with you, sir. Please support me.
Definitely. Yeah, definitely. Thank you for your feedback, Vinod. Thank you.
Yeah.